Guys, alam niyo ba kung gaano kainit right now here in Davao City? It's about 32 degrees. It's very excessive heat. Ang init-init, and yet andito yung ICI for investigation daw ng flood control. So sabi nga dito sa Mindanao Times, look, ICI arrives Davao City. The Department of Public Works and Highway, or the corrupt DPWH, an independent commission for infrastructure, and alam naman natin na sugo ni BBM to protect Martin Romualdez and Zaldico and the administration sa corruption, arrives in Davao City Wednesday, November 5, that's the day, to inspect on the various DPWH projects, particularly on crucial flood control infrastructure along the Davao River. The team is led by DPWH Undersecretary Arthur Bisnar and the ICI Special Advisor General Rodolfo Azurin Jr. with Mayor Benjamin Magalong joining the delegation. Sabi pa dito, their first inspection site was near the Caliawa Bridge in Pangyan. Nakakaloka lang, no? Cebu right now ay lumulutang ang bahay, mga kotse sa baha. And if you check etong sa image, this is in Liloan, the main flood control project, yung congressman nila. Bakit hindi sila dyan mag-start? Diba? It's clear to me that itong ginagawa talaga ng ICI is really politicizing, ginigipit na naman ng Duterte, showing that Davao City is may corruption. Kahit ilang beses namin pinapakita, even visited some sites ng mga flood control, pero wala ka talaga makita corruption kasi the projects are existing. Pero oh my gosh, hindi nga na-investigahan yung sa Bulacan, na grabe yung baha. Hindi nga na-investigahan yung sa syudad ni Magalong. Hindi ba nakita nung umaapaw yung tubig, umarga sa pababa, and may landslide? Ang pa-plastic nyo, oy. Eto no, if yung mga tao na naniniwala pa rin sa BBM administration, yung mga die-hard, mga Duterte die-hard haters, guys, it's a slap sa intelligence nyo. Kung gaano kayo kabobo at gaano kayo katanga. Kayo nang humusga. Kasi for me slap talaga to sa intelligence nyo na it's very obvious kung anong ginagawa nila, but still, pa din kayo, humahalik pa din kayo sa puwet ng BBM administration just to protect the real corrupt people, which is the Martin Romualdez and Zaldico, na up until today, hindi pa din napapatawag. Ay, pumunta nga pala si Tambaluslos, pero anong ginawa, te? Walang pag-asa Pilipinas, guys. Wala talaga. Up until andito yung administration ng mga bangag. So yun lang, it's very clear na political lang lahat ng to. Wala naman talagang goal na mapaayos ang Pilipinas because they just don't want PPSR to win sa 2028 kasi lagot talaga sila. Yun lang, opinion nyo, paki-comment na lang. At follow na din, Wing. Bye!